How to fix Instagram not working issue. Step 1. First, check your internet connection. Open a web page to see if it loads, or you can open YouTube app to check it. If it doesn't, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or quickly toggle airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if an update is available. Step 3. Go to your settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depends on your phone model. Then find Instagram from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then clear cache. Step 4. Restart your phone. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and once your phone turns back on, open Instagram again. Step 5. If it's still not working, uninstall Instagram, reinstall it from the Play Store, and log back in. And that's it. Following these quick steps usually fixes Instagram when it stops working. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more helpful tutorials.